Hi, this is Deaney. In this tutorial, we are going to make our large and fancy paper poinsettia. The template we used for this tutorial is available on our website, dwblooms.com. You can find the link on the description down below. First step would be prepping the petals. We are going to fold the petal in half, then fold it diagonally, going back and forth. We have cut our petals using a cutting machine with a file included in the template. If you do not have a cutting machine, you can definitely use the PDF file included in the template. Do the same for all the petals. Then we will add the intricate pattern or petal on top. Do the same for all the petals. Step 2, let us prep the leaves. We are going to fold it in half. Then we have the choice to draw lines to add accents or details to the leaves. This is completely optional. You have the option of doing this or not. Now we are going to attach all 6 leaves to the corners of the hexagon. Let us then place the first half of the petals in between the leaves. Next, let us place the other half of the petals in between the previous petals. Step 4 is prepping the center. We are done with our giant or intricate paper poinsettia. The full tutorial and template is available on our website, dwblooms.com. Again, you can find the link down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye!